Still having headaches with grease packaging? The traditional way is time-consuming, laborious, and not precise enough? Don't worry. The Mittiway fully automated grease packaging line is here. Mittiway automatic grease packing line is here to make packaging faster, safer, and more hassle-free. Let's feel the power of technology together! This is the Mittiway fully automated grease packaging line, specially designed for grease packaging with full automation, precision, and efficiency. Next, let's unveil its mystery and see how it works. First of all, enter our film processing section. High-quality film is fed into the packaging machine through the automatic system. Then the intelligent cutting system cuts the film accurately according to the size of the fats and oils without any difference. The cut film automatically wraps the grease tightly to ensure hygiene and safety. The next step is the rotation of the intelligent robot, which rotates the grease to the optimal angle, ready for the next crimping step. The crimped edges on both sides of the film are accurately compacted to ensure firm packaging and prevent grease leakage. Built-in metal detection, each piece of grease is strictly metal detected to ensure product safety and no pollution. Stacking. Small pieces of grease are automatically stacked for subsequent boxing. In the case of large chunks of grease, this step is skipped and it goes directly to crating. Next, the grease goes into the picking and feeding process. Intelligent robots feed the cartons accurately into the production line, ready to be packed, and the wrapped grease is automatically put into the cartons in a neat and orderly manner. Next, the lid of the box is spray glued and encapsulated. The carton is automatically spray glued and sealed, and both sides of the carton are further spray glued and sealed for reinforcement to ensure that nothing is left to chance. This is Mittiway, fully automated grease packing, complete line, full automation, high efficiency, and precision, saving time and labor. Whether it's a small piece of grease or a large piece of grease, our equipment can easily cope with it, so that your grease packaging is faster, safer, and more worry-free. Mittiway, specializing in packaging machinery manufacturing, provides you with the best quality solutions. Contact us to start your intelligent packaging journey.